Well, hello. Long time, right? As you can tell, we're in a different garage. Yay! Yeah, we moved. So excuse the huge mess that is the garage currently, but the garage is somewhat functional at the moment. And honestly, I just really want to start making videos again. It's been a super hot minute. So yeah, let's just dive right into it. So today, we're just going to do some minor things. Like, I'm going to do an oil change on this, because it needs one, since it's been like about 3,000 miles, 3,500 miles since the engine was rebuilt. So I'm going to put fresh oil in it. I'm going to swap out one of my O2 sensors, because I swapped out the other one, but I didn't have an O2 sensor wrench. So now that I have one of those, we're going to just swap it out, because I switched over to flex fuel, and car has 90,000 miles on it with the same O2 sensor, so fuck it, why not? And just clean up the engine bay, and just see where we go from there. We'll just do a whole bunch of stuff, and same thing we always do. We'll just see what happens. I think I'm going to be a little bit extra and throw a tarp down, because I really don't want to mess up our floors. I mean, granted, it's sealed and it's supposed to get oil on it, but I don't want to mess it up first time working in the garage, so we'll do that. Change the oil, and then I'll get back with you guys. Let that drain for a little bit, and we're gonna move on to the next thing. Alright, yeah, so last bit of oil is draining out of there, and I was looking for the O2 sensor so I could swap that out. I found the wrench. No idea where the O2 sensor went. It's somewhere in all of this. Somewhere in, I don't know. I found my old one. The one that I took out, I mean, it was still good, but, I found the used one for that goes after the cat, but I can't find the one that's in the header. So, yep. I don't know what we're going to do next. We'll find out. So yeah, we're going to be topping it off with some AMSOIL, because, I don't know. Because it's freaking AMSOIL. What else am I going to run in this? But yeah, so we're just going to top it off and go from there. Really have no idea what we're doing. Citizen seems to enjoy the new garage. Isn't that right, Bobby? But yeah, so we're going to top this off real quick and figure out what we're going to do next. Alright, so I can't find anything in this garage right now, and I'm just completely unmotivated to keep going. But hey, I changed the oil, so that's something. Hey, that's something. The oil's changed, so let's see what happens tomorrow. It's the next day. Yeah, no, other day was just a shit show. So, you know what? We're going to start back over at basics, and we're going to just do some basic maintenance to this Yaris. Hasn't had an oil change since like 2009. It's an '08, by the way. Probably never had the spark plugs done. Never had a belt change. It's got the OE tires on it. It's a hot mess. But we're just gonna do some basic stuff to it. Because any car stuff is still car stuff. It keeps you in the garage, and that's all that matters. So let's do that. You're just filming everything?
I don't know what you want from me.
Just film whatever you want. Yep. Just kind of drop it on in there.
And hope for the best.
Spin it till it grips. Alright, go ahead and start it. It's beautiful. That's why basic maintenance on your vehicle is important, kids. It doesn't sound like it's dying now. Alright, so we're going to swap out the air filter. We're going to do the belt. And then we're going to change the oil. Probably in that order. I haven't quite decided yet.
Are you gonna look at the brakes and see what kind of bullshit we have to deal with those later?
Maybe. I haven't quite decided if I want to do brakes. It's very cold right now. Like, we got the old heater from the old garage, courtesy of Alex, and it's snowing outside. And we got this huge ass garage that we're trying to heat with that little heater. So it's a little chilly. So I don't know if I feel like doing brakes right now. Yep, air filter. Okay. And yet another day. Back here with the Blue Bean or Baymax, depending on who you ask. So yesterday, ended up getting the passenger side completely done, squared away. New rotor, new brake pads. Didn't get to the other side just because we had some other things that we needed to do, and then it rolled into like late at night, and we had work in the morning. I have a day job, so you know, didn't get a chance to finish it up. So today I'm going to finish that up, and then we'll be done with the Yaris for a hot minute. Maybe we can get to, you know, the good stuff. Because I know you guys are here for the Yaris. Secretly, I know. But we're waiting on parts. So this is what we're doing. the most important piece. Why the fuck won't this go on? It's good. It's good. Alright, you can stop now. That was it. So, look at that. The Yaris is fixed. No, so, got the Yaris pushed out, brought the WRX back in, because believe it or not, the next thing we're going to do is more WRX stuff, and we actually have parts to do things. Yeah, so that's a thing. If you're asking yourself, hey Tom, what happened to the change of wardrobe? I'm in my pajamas, because it's Monday, and I want to be in pajamas. So that's what I'm going to do. So yep, we're going to mess around with the WRX next. And we're back. Another day. Yeah, this video is kind of all over the place. But that's okay. It's okay. Because what's important is that we're in the garage and we're doing stuff. Doesn't matter what it is. It can be all over the place if that's what it takes. But as long as we're in here. But anyways, what are we doing? Oh, so the WRX had some parts come in. And they're just like some really simple, you know, pretty up the engine bay type things. We got, you know, just some accent pieces. And we're waiting on some of the bigger components to come in. That I order some of the more labor intensive things. So I thought we could just round this video off with like a quick little, you know, just some install stuff and just, you know, get some small things done. Because we got the time and nothing better to do. So this is one of the pieces that we got in. It's the parent alternator cover in neon yellow. And yeah. That's going to go there. And then we also got a strip bar that we're going to try to throw in. But I'm a little nervous about the oil-air separator, or oil-air, yeah, that thing. The oil-air separator. Yeah, I'm nervous that might be a bit of an issue, but whatever. We'll just start doing stuff and see where it takes us. Alright, so here we are. It doesn't. This thing is in the way. Why won't it focus? That thing is in the way. It's super in the way. I tried washering the little mounting brackets, but the amount of washers that I need in order to clear it, I can't get the nuts to thread. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna have to actually like move the air oil separator down, like physically, which shouldn't be an issue. It's just a little bit more labor intensive than I was planning on doing. And it's like, it's Wednesday. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just don't care. I'm tired. I worked all day. I've been up since 4:45 this morning, and now it's like 7 o'clock at night. So we're just gonna leave it here. And you know what? I think that's a good spot for this video to end. Yeah, that's a good spot for this video to end. I think this is how I'm gonna do these vlogs, where whenever I just pick up the camera, I'm gonna film for a while, and then when I have enough content, we'll make that a video. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But so next video next week for you guys, but I don't know, a couple days for me maybe, probably start on Friday. We're gonna move that down. Hopefully a couple other pieces come in, like specifically for the headlights, and we'll just go from there. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So you know, subscribe, leave me a like, a comment, perhaps if you have this There we go. Ooh, there we go. If you have this kind of a setup on your car, let me know what you did. I don't know. Let me know. So, yeah, no. Like, comment, subscribe. And thanks for tuning in.